Oh, hey, you there? Guess what? I'm selling tower paper for $1 per sheet. It's multi-purpose. It absorbs a lot of liquid. You can cut it in half and then it becomes toilet paper. Okay, it's story time. So today I decided to cook, and I'm not like normal people who cook. I usually burn stuff. I also play with the food. This is what happened. I just performed a surgery on a pregnant pepper. What? I broke it. I try to be like in the videos, but like cutting the top. Well, after I was done performing my surgery, my mom came into the kitchen. She was like, "Are you even allowed into the kitchen?" I'm like, "No, mom, but I'm trying to be nice and cooking something for you." Even though I don't even know how to season stuff, she was like, "Okay, just don't burn the kitchen." But guess what? She liked it. And I was surprised. Even I was surprised that she liked it. Because I don't know how to cook.